What's up, guys? So we're going to be diving straight into this gorgeous V-part wig. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So I will be collaborating with Domiso hair. As you can see, it comes nicely packaged. We have some lashes, a wig cap, and this Afro curly wig in 18 inches. And this is how it looks straight out of the box. And it also has 2 clips to secure the wig, a removable comb for extra security, and you can just pop that out and it easily slides right back in as well. And it also comes with an adjustable elastic band. Okay, so this is a wig in its natural and dry state. The texture feels so soft and natural, which is exactly what I was hoping for. So I'm going to go ahead and define these curls. So I'm just going to spray the hair down with some water to help loosen these curls a bit. Now, I did experience very little shedding with this hair, but all in all, I would definitely recommend this wig. So now I'm just going in with my detangler brush to help remove any tangles, and then I'm going to apply some Lottie Body mousse, which will hopefully bring these curls to life. So here's a side-by-side comparison depending on what style you're going for. The wet side is more defined, while the dry side is more fluffy and full of volume. So now I'm going to define the other side as well, and then we'll get to the leave out. Alright, y'all, so let's get into this leave out. So to blend my natural hair with this wig, I'm just using my spray bottle, and I'm just going to get my hair nice and wet. And then I like to go on with my detangler brush just to comb out any knots or tangles. And for the product, I'll be using Aunt Jackie's curling gel just to define and match the texture of my hair with the curls of this wig. Y'all, so I'm just going to take some edge control and apply it to the front of my hair. Thank you so much to Domiso Hair for partnering with me on this video. If you're interested in this wig, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.